Welcome to TryRide. This is the session 3 part 2. Okay. So in the previous session, we are already discussed what a single value data type and how to check also. And we are also see some example that might be asked in the interview also. So in this session, we are going to start our collection data type or multi-value data type. Okay. So what is collection data type? Okay. How to create, what is the types of this each and everything we are going to discuss now. So guys, just like our single value means inside a single variable, if we are storing one value, then we can say that this is a single value data type. Then what is collection data type? Guys, in this type, okay, we are storing multiple value, okay, multiple value in a single variable. Okay, then to create this type of variable, we have some boundaries. Means for each and every data type, we are something, or we can say that symbol. Okay, first we are going to know the types. So in the types, that will be collection data type. First one will be string data type. Then the second one will be list data type. Okay, the third one is the tuple. Okay, so tuple. Then the fourth one will be set, and the fifth one will be dictionary. So these are our remaining collection data type that are available in our Python. So each and everything we are going to cover in this session. Okay, so guys, what is string? Okay, so string, guys, is nothing but this is the collection of word. Okay, we can say that this is the collection of word. Means how to declare and everything we are going to see. So to declare string, okay, you need to pass single quotation or double quotation or triple quotation. So guys, if I means you can assigning or you can declare the string by this three, then what is the difference between these all three? So guys, whenever you want to declare your string in multiple line, then in that case you need to use your triple quotation. Otherwise, every time you can use your single or double. Okay, now we are going to see that particular. So I'll create a string called try. Okay, now I just want to print this one, and also I need to check the type of this s also, means this is a string or not, how to confirm. So it will be give me that class str. Okay, it will be print try, and it will be also give me the output as class str, so we can confirm that particular thing. Guys, if I'm going to run this one try solution in a different line, just see guys, now my requirement will be I need to print try, then in the second line will be solution. Okay, so we need to modify this one. Okay, so guys, just see, if I'm going to run this one, it gives me a error, syntax error. Okay, now if I'm going to use this triple quotation, now in this case this will going to work. Just see guys, it gives me try. Oh, sorry guys, just a second. Now just see try solution also. Okay, so this is how the use of our single quotation, double quotation, and triple quotation. Okay, so guys, if we are going to know how to declare. Okay, now the main part will be we are going to see some property regarding this string. Okay, means if we are creating a string in the memory, how it will store and each and everything we are going to discuss now. Okay, so first, whenever you are going to deal with your string, I'll tell something boundaries, means this is called your boundaries or your symbol also, means the single quotation, double quotation, and triple quotation. Okay, so if you store multiple value inside a variable memory, means here we can give multiple value inside a single variable. So how it will be stored in your memory, I'll give you in the diagrammatically. So guys, whenever I will deal with that one, so guys, just see, whenever I want to print s equal to Python, means here I just want to create s equal to Python, and also I'll give a space. Guys, in whenever you are dealing with your string, your space, it will be treated as a character also. Okay, guys, just see, if I'm going to run this one, so if I'm printing s, so if are giving that, so I need to in a dedicated terminal. So guys, just see, if I'm going to run this one, here it will be not printing that particular Python only, here it will be print this string also. Okay, so to know that particular length, so if I'm going to run this one length of s, okay, guys, just see, it gives me 7, but if you see, it will be consist of 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So, your space will be treated as a character. That's why I am taking this example. So whenever you are creating that particular one in your memory, it will be creating. Okay, so one, it will be created for your variable space, and another one will be created for your value space. So we know that each and everything, it will be treated for your value. So means inside this only it will be created. For your better understanding, I will be gives you in another. Okay, for this one, it will be treated for your memory location, and s will be your variable name. So if you guys see, I'll gives you some value 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here I will be start from 1 2 3. So guys, it will be stored in a sub-memory location. To identify this sub-memory location in Python, we are using our indexing. Okay, now we need to understand what is indexing and all. Okay, so guys, what is indexing? Indexing is a, so I need to give you that note also. So what is indexing? So it is a process of, okay, process of extracting a single value from a collection, from a collection of element. Now what is this collection? Means if I guys, I want that only y. Okay, so by the help of this indexing we can find. So what is the syntax for this indexing will be, you can pass only the variable name and this square bracket. Inside this square bracket, you need to pass this index position. So now I'll give you that particular example. Okay, now my requirement will be, I want y only. Okay, so now I just want to print the variable name called s, and I will be using this square bracket. We know that in our memory it will be taking 1. Okay, so always our indexing start from 0 only. Okay, now we are going to, so I'll give you one, I'll give you more knowledge on this indexing. Okay guys, just see, it gives me y, but guys, in Python the indexing having positive indexing as well as your negative indexing also. So I'll create that particular also for your understanding. Means if I'm creating a string called s, and I inside this string I'll be storing try write solution. Guys, just see, for your space also it will be taking one memory location. So our positive indexing will be start from the 0 and the length of the string. Okay, means by the help of your length keyword you can find. And our negative indexing, it will be start from our -1. It will be not start from this 0. Okay, so make sure that whenever you are dealing with your positive as well as your negative indexing, make sure that it will be start. So our positive indexing start from the left to right. Okay, And for our negative indexing, start from this right to left. Okay, so right to left. Okay, so now we are going to see how it going to happen. So I just create that particular string, guys. Means again I just want to create a large string so that I can gives you that particular clarity also. So I'll create try write solution. Yeah, so guys, I just want to print particular r. Means we know that by the help of this variable and this square bracket, then you need to give this index number. So for your understanding, I'll create this one. So for r, we need to for positive I want. Okay, as of now we are doing this positive, then we are going to deal with that negative also. So don't worry, guys. Okay, now guys, just see if I'm printing 1 or I'll print 2. Okay, so now it will be gives me r as my output. Means I'll only extracting one value at a time. Means this is called your indexing. Okay, now I'm dealing with my negative indexing. Okay, guys, if I'm giving -0, guys, just see that particular output. So guys, just a second. If I'm giving -0, it will be converted into your positive indexing 0. That's why it gives me, because -0 is nothing available. Okay, now if I'm giving -1, it gives me s as my output. Guys, just see, guys, means based on this index position I can guess if I want that particular space. In your positive indexing I'll give you 9, and your negative indexing I'll gives you -10. So we'll check that particular -10. It gives me a means it will not printing anything, but it will be printing a index, means your empty index. Okay, so guys, we know that if you see till 18 we have character. If I'm giving out of this index, means if I'm giving 20, so in this case it will be throw and error, that will be out of index, string index out of range. Okay, means if you are passing more index that will be not available, then it will be throw and error. Okay, so guys, this is how we can find our indexing. So guys, sometimes somebody asks that, sir, I want to extracting multiple element at a time. Means by the help of your indexing, only one value you can access. But now my requirement will be, I want to access multiple value. Okay, so by the help of our slicing, it will be possible. So how to do that slicing, we are going to see now. So slicing. So what is slicing, guys? So slicing is nothing but it is the process of so process of extracting multiple element at a time. So for this one we have a syntax called your variable name. Okay, this square bracket, but this square bracket will take three value. First one will be starting index, second one will be ending index, and last one will be updation. So how it going to work, now we are going to see now. So I'll create the diagram also for you. So your positive slicing also start from 0 to your length of your string, and your negative also it will be start from -1 to your length of the string. Okay, so we know that if I want to execute this R and I, so I'll gives you that I need to start from 1 to 2, but in this slicing you need to give one more extra value. Means if you want R and I, you need to pass your ending index as 3. If you are not giving, I'll show you also. So guys, now I want to print s of 1 2, means if you want to that particular r and I need to give guys 2, means 1 2, if our guys gives you here 2, then it will be only printing one value. Means just see guys, it will be print one only r, but I want that I also. So in that case you need to give +1. Okay, so now it will be printing r and I. So by the help of this you can find your multiple value at a time. So guys, if I'm not giving any updation, okay, means I'll not give my starting index. Okay, so it will be start from this 0 only, so it will be print try. Okay, if I'm not giving ending index also, what is this is, it will be print entire string. Okay, means the default value while we are dealing with our positive index, it will be gives you 0 and your length, and your by default it will be your updation treated in your positive indexing. Okay, 0, but your negative indexing you need to mention that particular thing. So how to deal with that particular thing we are going to see. So now I just, my requirement will be I need to print no. So I'll be give my starting index -2 and my ending index -4. So guys just see -2 and I'll be print -4. Guys just see, it will be print me that particular things no. So guys just see no means it will be not printing on guys, it will be in the minus direction only. So in the how it will be going to means how the Python controller is going to print it, your Python controller it will be checking like a condition. Okay, because we can predict that particular thing, but your Python controller it will be checking like this one. Okay, so if you are giving 0 to 4 and my updation value will be 1, means 1 1, so I'll gives you that clarity also. So in this case, our Python controller, it will be checking my first value will be 0 and my ending value will be 4. Means it will be checking that 4. Okay. If this condition become true, then only it will be produce that output. Means in the backend, it will be logic will be that. Okay. Means it will be checking that particular thing. Again, our updation will be happen. So 0 means the starting position will be become 0. Okay, now it will be start from 1. So it will be need to check till our 4. If it going to satisfy, means 0 plus 1 it will be 1, 1 minus 4 it will be satisfying, then only it will be produce this output. Okay, again 0 plus 2 less than 4, it in the backend it will be printing like that guys. Okay, in the backend it will be try to executing like that. Guys, you can practice yourself. If you have any doubt you can directly contact to try, right? Okay, means I'll gives you that clarification how to check and everything. Okay guys, just see, I'm not giving that particular updation. In this case, what is my output guys? Just see, means we know that by default will be printed as your updation, it will be printed as your +1. But if you are not giving in the minus condition, it will be printing empty list. How it will be happen, I'll gives you that clarification. Okay, so in this case my was be -4 and -2, so -2 2, so I'll gives you in the clarity also, so I'll be using that only. So just a second guys, I'll use this one. So if you are not giving any updation, okay, in the case of your slicing, means if you are not passing any updation in your negative indexing, it will be entire things, it will be converted into your positive. If you are not passing any updation in your negative. So guys, whenever you are dealing with your negative indexing in your slicing, make sure that you need to pass your updation value as negative. If you are not passing, so it will be converted into your positive. So how? If you are like that, for -2, what is my positive value? Guys, just see. For -2, my positive value will be 17. Okay, here only I can predict that particular thing. So guys, just a second. So I need to reduce that size, color also. So -2, so mine will be -2, 2, minus 4. I'll not passing any value. So in my case, it will be printing like that, this only. So I'll need to increase. Okay. So now it will be entire things will be converted into our positive. So it will be converted 17 and my -4 will be treated as my 15. So guys, it is possible, means I want to print 17 to 15, means backward. It was not possible. That's why it will be gives a empty string. It will be not throwing an error. So make sure that whenever you are going to give your negative indexing, the updation will be mandatory. Guys, just see, it will be print a no. If you are not giving, it will be treated a empty list. Make sure that while you are doing your positive and your negative slicing, this is your main point. You are dealing with that particular things. So guys, then the next point means this is your index, means each and every indexing and slicing we are going to deal with in your every list, tuple, set and everything. Okay, so this is a short history of that indexing and our slicing, how it going to work. In upcoming also we are going to deal with our example only. Okay, don't worry about that. So we are going to complete this string. Okay, so the next one will be string is the order data type. So string is the order data type. So guys, what is the meaning of this order data type? Means by the creation of your human, means if you are creating Python in this sequence, if you are going to find this sequence in the memory, you can say that this is a order data type. Okay, if it is order, then only your indexing and your slicing it will be possible, because if it will be not storing in this manner, you cannot predict, guys. Okay, that's why string will be support your ordering. Okay, so then the next one, string allow duplicate. Okay, duplicate means, guys, if I'm taking this example, so I'll comment this one. So I'll take s equal to Python, Python, means I'll be adding multiple value. Now if I'm going to run my s, it gives me s, means Python, Python, means it will be allow this duplicate value inside that particular things. Okay, so guys, the next point will be string is a homogeneous data type. Guys, homogeneous means you can only add same type of data. Guys, if you feel that, I'll take this example also. I'll give string. Inside that, I'll pass 1, 2, 3. But this will be treated as my integer. But if you see inside this uh, quotation mark, whatever the things or element you are going to write, it will be entire thing, it will be converted into your strings only. That's why string is a homogeneous data types. Means if you are printing outside, it will be treated as your integer. Because you are printing in the string quotation mark, it will be entire thing, it will be converted into your string data type. So the last point of this string will be string is a immutable. So guys, what is immutable? After creation, you cannot modify that particular thing. Means I'll create this one. So we know that string will be allow that indexing and slicing. Now I want that string at the place of 1, I want to add that particular 10. Now again, I just want to print s. Guys, just see, it will be not printing anything. So just a second, means after the creation you cannot modify. So just say type error, string object does not support item assessment, means assignment it will be not possible, because after creation you cannot modify our string. So if you have any doubt, guys, till this string, you can directly contact TryWrite. Okay, so thanks for watching TryWrite.